Today we'll talk about SEO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It is the process of getting traffic from the free, that is organic, editorial or natural search results on search engines. This is Google search. You might think of a search engine like Google search as a website which you generally visit, ask a question into the box, and you would magically find answer to your questions. That's true. But have you ever thought about that what is going behind these magical list of results that we are finding? See how Google works. Google has a crawler that goes out and gathers information about all the content that they can find on the internet. What are crawlers? Crawlers are small, you can say, bots or softwares of the search engine. Let me write sunglasses over here. I have just written sunglasses over here as a keyword, what I have searched, and I've got so many of the results. And I've got these many results in only 0.65 of a second. See, these crawlers bring all those binary numbers in the form of ones and zeros back to the search engine and they index them. So Google is not scratching the internet right now for finding the pages that match with your question. Google has simply just gone through its indexed data and has given you the results which matches the best with the kind of term or the question that you have put over here. In order to understand SEO, we need to understand about keywords. Now, what is a keyword? Generally, when you enter into a search engine to make your search, you would be writing a search query over here, like I have written sunglasses. I'll make a search about it and I would be finding different results that search engine would put in front of me. Now, these search queries are called as keywords. So, keywords in simple terms are the search queries. Now, sometimes you'll not put questions like this. Rather, what you'll do, you are not going to use a single term. You are going to write a big question, or I want sunglasses, but I want aviator style Ray-Ban sunglasses. This is what I'm interested into. Now, if I'll write aviator style Ray-Ban sunglasses, then it would become a more specific keyword and it would be called as a long tail keyword. Long tail keyword, a specific type of sunglasses I am trying to find out. Aviator style Ray-Ban sunglasses. So that would be called as a long tail keyword. Now, if we are clear with what keywords are, let me show you that once we make a search on a search engine, what different types of things would populate the page, or what would appear on this SERP, that is search engine results page. First of all, you can find over here, this is called an ad. Then this is also sponsored. So this is part of paid search. This is part of paid search. So these are not organic. Then I am able to see few of the local shop listings over here in this part. So this part is actually comprising of local SEO, local search engine optimization, businesses who are or which are listed on Google My Business or Google Businesses. So local shops, real stores near to my location. Then you'll find over here is the first search result, organic search result. Now it is of Lenskart and no ad or nothing is written over here. Now this means that this keyword of sunglasses, as per the indexing of Google and the algorithm being used by it, matches best with this page of Lenskart. It is lenskart.com and sunglasses page. After that it is of Myntra, then Amazon and so on. Then there are few of the results from images, what people otherwise search for, few other results, and done. Then it is to second page and third page. Why SEO becomes so important? See, generally in when you are also searching for something online, you would feel like you have searched for certain content like sunglasses, aviators, or something like that. You would search for it. After that, if you're not able to find what you are searching for on the first page, it is very rarely that you will move to the second page, then maybe to third page. What we generally do, we'll change our search queries. So we change what we are searching rather than going to the second or third page. It simply means it is important for marketers to optimize the content on their websites in a manner that it is organically correct. So whenever some specific keywords related to your business are searched for, your website listing appears on the search engine. So this is what basically search engine optimization is. We have just come to know about that how important is a keyword to a marketer when it comes to search engine optimization. So the most important thing in search engine optimization is identification of right keywords by a marketer to optimize the content written on its website. Content of title tags which would be written, to what would be used in headlines and subheadlines, to the writing content of a website page. Everything would be dependent upon the right choice of keywords relevant to a business. I hope you are able to understand the concept of keywords and how search engines work. If you have liked this video, do give it a thumbs up.